This is the BEKO Pro 8kg condenser tumble dryer. This tumble dryer helps to take the guesswork out of drying, as its clever technology knows when to stop a cycle. It comes with amazing sensor drying technology that can automatically protect your clothes from being damaged by an overly long cycle. It identifies the level of moisture left in the drum, and it stops the cycle when your clothes are dry enough. You don't have to worry about shrinking, and you'll save even more energy in the long run. And when you can't unload your laundry immediately, this tumble dryer can help to avoid creases setting into the fabric without even having to think about it. The automatic anti-creasing program rotates the drum periodically for 2 hours after the end of the cycle, so your laundry is separated and creases are minimized.